Hello everybody, it's Miss Henderson here again. We are going to be talking about the curved line. Now these are the pages in your book and your black folder. If you want to go ahead and get them out, you can take them out of the folder. I'm working on page 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 20. Yep. All right, so here are some exercises that we're going to do. You're going to need a pencil, obviously, and I want you to take your time. Please do not rush through these. They're meant to help you work on your line. So as we know, a curved line is a line that deviates from straightness in a smooth, continuous fashion. So we are going to work on drawing lines in a smooth, continuous fashion. Okay. So what you're going to do is just like if you were in school and you were learning to write your letters, we are going to, and I'm moving my paper so I can see it on the camera still, okay? And again, I'm going to come through here and do some waves. I'm going to start, go down, start, go down. And if you'll notice, some of my students tend to draw like this, where they start and stop instead of having one continuous line. So you want to practice doing that one continuous movement. Okay, there's one page, let's flip it over. Here's page 17, and we're going to be doing some waves. So I'm going to do a wave. Sometimes it takes you a while to get used to the rhythm of the exercise. All right, now here our waves are a little bit closer together. And you have enough space above and below the lines that if you feel like you oofed really bad, don't worry about erasing it. Just keep going. Like say, oh, I really messed this up, but I'm gonna practice this. You could use that space to practice it, or we could use this space to practice it. Does that make sense? All right, moving on, page 18. So here my lines are a little bit more chaotic and close together. And sometimes I will like say a little jingle in my head, like 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 down. And sometimes it'll help me remember the pattern, if I can say that. Obviously, talking and doing this do not work very well. So again, if you feel like you oofed, like I feel like I really did a bad job here, I could go back below it and work on it some more. All right, now these I really love. They kind of look like an F and a G stuck together when back in the day when you were in elementary school learning cursive. Now my lines are really light. If you want them a little bit darker, you could use your drawing pencil. I'm using just a regular number 2 pencil. I'm getting close to the edge of my soup can. I gotta scoot it over. All right, you get the idea. All right, let's move on to page 20. All right, so we're gonna do page, 19, I skipped 19. All right, let's go back to 19. All right, so first we're gonna do a series of straight lines, and then we're gonna go to 21 where we add a little bit of a curve. All right, so I have really bad eyesight, so it's kind of a little bit hard for me. All right, so I'm drawing on these teeny weeny lines. I'm going straight on these teeny weeny lines. Now I'm sitting down, and I wonder if I was standing up, if I could be a little bit better. Okay, so now over here in number 2, we're going to go do a loop. So we're going to loop. So it's going to be a little bit more continuous. on. I'm just continuing these on because I feel like it. Okay, again, now this we were going, number 1 we were going left to right, and now here in number 3 we're going right to left. So I am left-handed, so it's a lot easier for me to go to left to, I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to go left to right, but I know some of you are left-handed, so probably doing it this way is going to be a lot easier for you. Next, number 4, we're going again right to left, and then curving down. Okay, I'm gonna, for the sake of time, I'm gonna go ahead on and go to this. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go left to right, loop, and then do some O's. So I'm gonna, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm gonna do some, I wanna call these, no, you gotta go down. Okay, I totally am messing this up. All right, so I'm gonna pretend like I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna go down. Believe it or not, before this video, I actually did practice some of this. All right, so I'm gonna go down and around and around and around, and then I'm gonna do like some U's. Okay. And then for numbers 3 and 4, we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to go, instead of left to right, again, we're going to go right to left. Now, when you are done, I want to make sure you put your name on each page, and you are going to take pictures of each page with your either your Chromebook camera or your cell phone camera, and you're going to upload these to either Artsonia or Canvas. I have not yet decided yet, but look in your Canvas class to see which file format you can do, but definitely take pictures, make sure your name's on it, and remember, if you oof, just do more. All right, thank you so much. Bye.